Why are you hiding?
48 hurt.
Alright, so it's Saturday and I'm here with Dante. We are on the road finally, headed to go and see the house. So I will check back in with you all once we get there. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay, so we just made it to the house and there's lots of changes, but they're still out here working today. So I'm gonna, there's people in the house, so you'll just kind of see them, but it's okay. All right, I'm gonna let you see. All right, so as you can see, there is a sidewalk and a driveway. We have a driveway. There's some of the siding and the siding that's up and some of the, what is that called? Trim. And then, what is all of this? Oh, this is the bricks that's going on the house. So all of that is here. And then the sidewalk and the driveway. Oh my goodness, it looks great. Okay, so we'll go through the front. Still the wrong doors here. Okay. We have paint. The house has been painted. So this, oh, I hate the boob light. Definitely want to change that out. I didn't know that was gonna be there. But yeah, so we have paint. Kind of scan out so you can see. It looks amazing. So I'm confused. Where does that door go to? I think we do. Our hardwoods are in, or laminate floors are in. Let's see. Oh, that looks great. Oh my goodness. And then, so yeah, we have, I guess those are recessed lighting. Are those recessed lighting? Yeah, recessed lighting. Okay. So then this is the coat closet. Only thing that's in there now is our, like, what is that, electric box or? Who?
Circuit breaker box.
Okay, well, whatever. Electric box or circuit breaker box. Even though I think it's got something more to do with the smart home features. And the floors are in there. Okay, then you head on this way. We have countertops. Oh my goodness, our quartz counters are in. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. This is amazing. Okay, so this is a lot going on. We got a lot going on here. I'm super excited. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. We have freaking backsplash. That looks great. Oh my goodness. Like, we couldn't really picture it because they show you such a small sample. But boy, when I tell you, this looks great. So yeah, we have quartz countertops. That still ain't fixed. Still not soft close on that one, but it's supposed to be. Yeah, all of those gonna have to be changed. But it looks amazing in here. Yep, this is like quartz, and this has been painted. The pantry. Okay. That looks great. Oh, that's missing. I mean, we still got a month. Okay. We can put about 3 chairs maybe to there. Yeah. The pendant lights are in. We have recessed lighting up there, like can lights. Those look amazing. I love those. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is gorgeous. See it? Okay, okay. So all of this down here is gonna be the EVP flooring. So it's all in. The bedroom will be carpet as well as the office space. We have our fan. I didn't really know what color it would be, but it looks like it matches the floors, so that's nice. I'm okay with that. I like it. Okay. Oh my goodness, the fireplace is done. Look at that. That looks freaking awesome. Look, let me stand back and let you see. That looks amazing. Okay, the door is in, the sliding door is complete. Okay, okay. See, we're gonna step outside, see what's out here. Okay, so they have the electric done right there for the fan that goes out here. And we have siding. We do, it looks amazing. It looks so good. That color is so good. We have bricks. The brick mortar or whatever it's called, a border stuff, I don't know. But it looks good, whatever it's called. It's all over here too on the side of the house. Okay. All right, so we're going back in. Okay. So this is the mud room area. Another light up there. And then this is the garage, which is all finished. We don't have the garage door yet, but that's fine. Okay. And then there is this. The lights are on. Oh my goodness. I didn't even know that. Oh my goodness. Okay, okay. All right, so we have the light fixture. We have the granite countertops. This looks, the floor is in. Look at that. Okay. Oh my goodness, yes. This looks great. Let me see. You hear how quiet that exhaust fan is? I like it. Well, I remember back in the day, they used to be so loud that you couldn't even hear anything going on in the house. Okay, so this is the guest bedroom, and it has that ugly boob light. But I want to probably change that too. I hate those. But for now, it's gonna work because I didn't even know what kind of light it would be. So, okay, so no major changes in here other than it's painted and that boob light's in. Okay. I like these light switches. Okay, so that one goes to there. And okay, that's the fan over there. that's that one right there. That's nice. I didn't even know the lights was on, but I guess that makes sense. And this one goes to these right here. Okay, so Dante turned that one on over there. I'll let you turn it back on. That looks amazing, don't it? That looks great. Okay. All right, I'm going upstairs. They haven't done this yet. Okay, first room. Okay, so the only thing that's in here is different is the paint and the little boob light. This is the loft. Definitely changing the light out in here as well. We'd rather have a better light. That one has some recessed lighting right there. And then, same thing. There's that light. Only changes. And then this is the hallway. Upstairs bathroom. Also has the granite countertops. The light fixtures looks amazing. Those are great. Okay, turn this light off. And this is the laundry room. Looks like it's also painted. And the floors are in. So they're the same floors as in the bathrooms, as you can see. Very nice. And this is the last bedroom, other than the owner's suite, and it's the same. All up here will be carpet. So the floor is in that bathroom. Okay. Last but not least is the owner's suite. And we have the same fan that's downstairs that matches the floors. Has that great undertone to it. You probably can't really see it on the light, but it has a great undertone. And I'm okay with that too. So, paint. We went with the Sherwin-Williams agreeable gray color. So, if you're wondering, it's agreeable gray. Okay, and the granite countertops are in here. No, I'm not granite, quartz, I'm sorry. Quartz countertops. Also the two lights. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. Look at this. This looks effing amazing. Let me see. I cannot even pick it up right because the colors are, because of the way that, but look at that. This is the shower. It is completely done, pretty much. Like all of the tile has that gray. And then this really pretty border in there. Two little areas for stuff. I wish it was a little bit bigger and I could have had a stool or something, but you know, we'll make it work. Okay. And then we have a window finally. Finally, a window's in there. And then this is the garden tub. It also has that trim. You see? That looks amazing. I'm in love. Okay, and then that's just the water closet. And then let's see. This is the owner's closet, master closet, whatever you want to call it. Okay. The floors are in here as well. What you think?
Nice. Nice.
You're so blah. Nice. It's nice. Don't let him fool you. He's super excited. He's just trying to play it off on, on camera, but he likes it. Why you hiding? Okay, but I think that's it. I'll see what else is going on outside and I'll just kind of let you all know, but this was an amazing trip. I'm like super excited. We're a couple weeks away now, well, a little under 4. So, all right, I'll be back. So hey y'all, it is Sunday, November 7th, and as you can see, I just pulled up to work. So it's about maybe 6 o'clock. So I just kind of wanted to put an end into my video for the week and let you all know that I am super excited, as you probably can see from the house tour, because we're like a little over 3 weeks out from closing. Yeah, a little over 3 weeks. So something I wanted to address was I've been getting a lot of like questions about why are we signing the lease or moving into a home when our home is closing in like a month. I've already kind of addressed those things in a couple videos before, so I will link those in this video. So if you're interested in finding out, if you haven't watched my previous videos, I will link them because I don't want to have to go through, it's a pretty lengthy like explanation, so I don't really want to go into it again and kind of bore everyone who's already seen it or already know the reason why. So I'll link that into this video, link a couple videos and let you know. This is our forever home, not our right now home, if that makes sense. So we'll be moving into it slowly and not like instantly. You know, people who've recently bought a home, can y'all tell me, am I tripping? I've already been like in my head thinking of what I'm going to wear to closing. Let me know below if y'all be thinking, if any of y'all was doing the same thing, like, what am I going to wear? What am I going to wear to closing? And it's already like, I don't know. I'm a pre-planner. I love to plan things out. So I've been just kind of like looking at my wardrobe. How am I going to wear my hair? Am I going to wear braids? Am I going to wear my own hair? Am I going to get a sew-in? I don't even know. I just keep thinking about like, what am I going to wear to closing? Because that is like a huge day and I'm super excited about it. I'm like loving my home every time I go up there to see it and I see something new has been done. I am like in love every time. So I just want to like look nice for closing and I don't know. I'm just super excited. Also, the good thing about like our situation is Dante and I had like the same kind of design wants, and we had like, we both knew that we didn't want like white cabinets. We knew that we both didn't want like certain things, like, so it all like worked really, really well. So I guess I'll end the video here. I think I probably have maybe, like I said, 3 weeks, a little over 3 weeks to closing. So we'll go back this weekend and see what's going, next weekend rather, and see what's going on. And then maybe it's probably like maybe 2 more videos before my empty house tour. So as always, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done those things. And I'll see you next time. All right, bye.